Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT, stock number E1408P. 17,000 miles on this Grand Caravan, black onyx in color, to be Chrysler Group certified. The vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. Seat 7, leather interior. Stow'N Go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Backup camera for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row, lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks on the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. Can of course fold them in any combination. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Power liftgate and sliding doors have pinch protection. Automatically reverts if anything gets in the way, to make sure nothing gets damaged and no one gets hurt. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row. Recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. When they're in the upright position, you have all the additional storage space below. This SXT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 6.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. This radio has a 30 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. You can also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Lots of storage space in the center console, along with dual glove boxes. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, power liftgate, and sliding door control. Under the hood, this Grand Caravan is a 3.6-liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. All of your fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 17 miles to the gallon and a city average of 25 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.